Friends, welcome to Apache Maven video series. In the previous video, I had explained about Maven repositories. Today, in this video, I am going to explain about building a Python code with Maven. Before starting the session, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ganesh Hegde, working as Senior Engineer at Kpro Solutions Private Limited. Kpro is a leading provider in Datalake, IoT, cloud implementation, blockchain, data science, artificial intelligence, deep learning, and mobile application development. Python is a general-purpose language. It has a wide range of application from web development, scientific and mathematical computing to desktop graphical user interface. Also, over the years with strong community support, this language got dedicated libraries for data analysis and predictive modeling. Hence, data science field is embracing it every day. If your organization is using Maven as a build tool and you are looking for bringing Python code under this umbrella, then this video will help you to achieve that. Here is the project where I have a source code under resources directory, and these are the source codes set up by sample proto, requirements, manifest and init.py. And my POM file looks like this. Group ID, artifact ID, which I have seen before. These are the properties I defined, and here are the profiles. So I will be using protoc, that is protocol buffer, and providing these arguments to that, and then I will compile with the Maven plugin, and I will execute Python and the generated source code, and I will be providing setup.py as an argument and sdist also argument. Let me run this file. Let me run this POM file with Maven. I am into command prompt. I'm sorry, actually that requires a activation of a profile. So I'm going to provide a profile name P and Python binders. Sorry, it is not binders, it is bindings. Okay, I have executed this and it is doing all those activities and build is successful. Let us check what is there in the generated build. Here we go, target, and there are classes, and sample pb 0.0.1 snapshot jar is generated. You can see the classes are in the classes. You will see sample.proto. That's all about building Python from Maven plugins. Thank you for watching this video. Please provide your valuable comment in the comment section and let us know if you want us to make any technical video of or any issue which you are facing in your project. You may write us at feedback@kpro.co.in. Please visit our YouTube channels like blockchain, cloud, data science, ETL, etc. to learn different technologies. You may follow us on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter to get latest update. Thank you very much. Let's keep learning.